The progress is real, but given the need, given the immense need in Gaza, it needs to be accelerated, it needs to be sustained. And as we focus on all of the necessary inputs, the number of trucks that are moving, what matters the most is the impact. Israel has made very important compromises in the proposal that's on the table, demonstrating its desire and willingness to get this agreement and get it done. Now, as we've been saying, it's on Hamas. Hamas has to decide whether it will take this deal and actually advance the situation for the people that it purports to care about in Gaza. There is no time for delay. There's no time for further haggling. The deal is there. They should take it.
And joining me from Tel Aviv is my colleague Sarah Coates. Sarah, tell us a bit, if you will, about the Erez crossing and why its reopening is such a big deal for Gaza.
Hello there, Ramesh. Well, this is certainly very significant, given that this will really provide a lifeline to those people in the northern part of the Gaza Strip who so desperately need it. Now, this is the largest crossing point in the north of the Strip and will certainly provide access to a large number of trucks bringing things in to this area, which aid groups say is in famine. Now, it was closed for the last 7 months, really destroyed by Hamas on October 7 during that onslaught in southern Israel. But Israel does say that it will be open from every day now. Now, this was really one of the US Secretary of State Antony Blinken's aims of his trip to the Middle East. Just yesterday, he actually visited the Erez crossing. As you mentioned, it was opened on the same day that Blinken was here. And what we've been hearing from the United States these past few months is that Israel must provide more aid into the Gaza Strip, and this of course comes amid these famine warnings that we've been hearing from the United Nations, that famine is due to set in this month. Now, just to expand on these aid deliveries a little bit more, the Pentagon has this morning come out to say that this floating pier that the United States is constructing off the coast of Gaza, that it is now 50% complete and is expected to be ready in the coming days. We do understand that the pier is actually done and that the causeway is now being worked on. So this will certainly bring a lot of relief to these people in Gaza, with aid groups saying that currently only around 200 trucks have been entering the enclave on a daily basis, and this is certainly far down from the 500 or so trucks that were going into Gaza pre-war.
Sarah, thank you. That was Sarah Coates reporting from Tel Aviv. And in some more news related to this development, India has reiterated its support for a two-state solution where the Palestinians are